Are you struggling with hair loss? It's a common issue, but fear not. Nature has provided us with remedies like rosemary essential oil, scalp massages, pumpkin seed oil, green tea, and a balanced diet. Stay with us as we dive into these remedies. Have you ever heard of rosemary essential oil? This fragrant herb isn't just for culinary delights, it's a potent ally against hair loss. By mixing it with a carrier oil and massaging into your scalp, you stimulate hair growth. For best results, use rosemary essential oil regularly. Next up, the simple yet effective scalp massage. This technique boosts blood flow to your hair follicles, encouraging hair growth. Just use your fingertips to apply gentle pressure in circular motions. Remember, consistency is key with scalp massages. Now let's talk about pumpkin seed oil and green tea. Pumpkin seed oil is a game changer. It can block dihydrotestosterone, a hormone that often leads to hair loss. Isn't that incredible? And then we have green tea, our trusty friend teeming with antioxidants. These antioxidants promote hair health and can even stimulate hair growth. So why not make a cup of green tea part of your daily routine? Incorporate these into your routine for healthier hair. Last but not least, a balanced diet is crucial for hair health. Nutrients are the building blocks of our body, including our hair. Consuming a balanced diet ensures that your body gets the necessary vitamins, minerals, and proteins it needs. Protein, for instance, is essential for hair growth, while iron helps transport oxygen to your hair follicles. Vitamins, particularly B vitamins, play a key role in maintaining hair health. A balanced diet is not just good for your hair, but for your overall health too. So, to recap, we've explored the potency of rosemary essential oil, the benefits of scalp massages, and the role of pumpkin seed oil and green tea. We've also discussed the value of a balanced diet. Remember, these remedies are not a substitute for medical advice. If you found this video helpful, like, comment, and subscribe to Home Remedies for Life.